This video will show you how to diagnose a Kenmore 90 series or Elite dryer that won't start and checking the door switch. Safety first, always disconnect power before servicing any electrical appliance, and remember that the internal edges and parts of these machines are very sharp once you open them up, so be careful not to get cut. It can cause serious injury. Okay, now that we've got the top off, I want to show you how to test the door switch. The door switch is located at the top left hand corner here behind the front panel. Of course, when you open and close the door, it actuates it on the front side there. We want to remove two wires. We want to move this one on the far left side, which is the white wire, and this blue wire from the right side over here. I'm just going to remove both those wires off of the spades of the door switch. Okay, the rest of the wires are for the light bulb. You can leave them alone. Just kind of fold them out of the way. You got two exposed spades there now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my meter, put it on ohms on the lowest range, make sure I got tone, make sure it's working. Okay, so that's what happens when you have continuity. You get the tone, you get a little reading there. It doesn't matter which one goes on which, but attach one to one terminal that you took the wire off of, attach the other lead to the other terminal. And as you can hear right now, I've got tone, okay, and I've got a very low reading. If I open the door, that tone should stop because it should interrupt the circuit, which it did. If I close it again, you should have tone, which it does. So this door switch is good. If it was bad, if I opened the door where you have no sound at all, you get the same result when I close the door, just like this. You get no tone, no reading, okay? That would be a bad switch. Now, of course, it tested bad right now because I had removed this wire a little bit off of there. It's actually not bad. This one is good. But that's how you test the door switch to make sure it's still working or not. So I'm going to remove the leads. Once you've done testing with it, put the white wire back where it goes on the spade on the left terminal there, left side of the door switch, and then over here reattach the blue one. Yours may be different colors, but probably not. I think all of them that I've ever seen of this 90 series and Elite were like this. So that's how you test the door switch. If it had been bad and needed to be replaced, there's just two screws that come up through the door frame and hold this switch and the clip in place there. You just undo the two screws from inside the door panel here, take it off, put the new one on, and put wires back where they go. Just make sure you take a picture or mark where the wires go so you don't forget where all the wires go when you start taking everything apart on that. But that's how you test the door switch on the Kenmore 90 and Elite series washing machines. Or excuse me, dryers. I don't know why I said washing machine. Obviously it's a dryer.